Introducing the BlackVue DR590X series single and dual channel Wi-Fi dashcam. The quality you've come to expect from a BlackVue dashcam in a connected, compact design. Equipped with a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor, the DR590X captures clear footage even in the darkest of situations. The dual-channel model records both front and back in full HD 1080 resolution, while the single-channel model is capable of recording up to 60 frames per second, letting you capture critical fast-moving moments. Connecting your dashcam is easy with the built-in Wi-Fi. This allows you to use the BlackVue app to customize your settings and download videos right to your smartphone. And the built-in voltage monitoring ensures that your dashcam stays powered without draining your vehicle's battery. BlackVue DR590X series. High-quality dashcam, simplified.
The open road is a place of freedom, of new opportunities, a way of life. But with that freedom comes a degree of uncertainty, and drivers can use all the protection they can get. Introducing the new SC Smart Dashcam series from Cobra. With advanced features like high-definition recording, enhanced night vision, and cloud video management that allows you to store, edit, and share footage from anywhere. SC dashcams are ideal for anyone with a desire to drive smarter and safer. They're always looking out for the driver, on the road ahead, behind the vehicle, and even inside the cabin. Built-in G-sensors protect footage automatically before, during, and after emergencies to ease the process of insurance claims. And the Mayday notification lets you send an alert to an emergency contact in the event of an accident. The SC201 even offers an infrared LED interior camera for enhanced nighttime video. Plus, with the Drive Smarter app, drivers will have peace of mind with unprecedented control over their experience on and off the road. And connection to the Cobra community of drivers gives you access to more than 100 million real-time alerts of red light cameras, speed traps, and more. With an SC dashcam from Cobra on your dash, your vehicle becomes smarter. You'll drive smarter, and it'll help keep you and your loved ones safer on the road.